Dear manufacturer, let me ask you a few important questions. Are you looking for a manufacturing supplier who can deliver your products at economical prices? Are you looking for a supplier who is based in the UK and understands local business needs? Do you need a manufacturing partner who works with low minimum order quantities? How about a manufacturer who can design, produce, and deliver all under one roof and on time? Are you looking to work with new materials or explore manufacturing processes your current supplier doesn't offer? Are you thinking of adding a new dependable supplier to your existing network? Or maybe you're struggling to get consistent quality quantity or communication from your current manufacturer? If the answer to any of these is yes, then it's time to speak to Onestop Precision Engineering Ltd. We're a UK-based company with a fully equipped manufacturing facility in Lahore, Pakistan, offering world-class services at cost-effective rates. We specialize in CAD/CAM 3D design and prototyping, CNC milling and turning, CNC wire cutting and spark, erosion laser cutting and engraving, sheet, metalwork, electroplating, silver and gold fabrication, fitting and assembly. We are your complete manufacturing partner. You can WhatsApp your project details or email us at support@onestop.com. Let's bring your ideas to life with precision, performance and partnership. Onestop Precision Engineering Ltd, your trusted supplier for quality manufacturing.